everyone, this is Ed from the Access channel, and today we are doing a part 2 to the MIT App Inventor coding app. And today we are going to learn more about the text-to-speech, and also we are learning about the notifiers. Now let's get straight into it and not waste time. So once we've opened up our browser, we are again going to type in MIT App Inventor. Whoops. Now again, we click the first link. Now that we are inside, we want to create apps, and if you have followed our last tutorial, once you click create apps, it should take you right to this section, and you will just select here. It should take you just to this screen. Now this is what we did last episode. We learned how to make a test button. When you click it, it makes a sound called test button. As you can see in our blocks, we have this super simple code to say I am a button. One thing I forgot to mention is how you test your app properly. I said when you click here, Connect AI Companion, it shows you a QR code. But how do you scan it? You need to install the MIT App Companion app on your phone or whatever device you're using. And that's how you do it. You can either type in a code or scan the QR code shown on the screen. But once you've done that, we can go back to the app and upgrade. Now I want to focus on the image a bit more because you can also change the width. So let's do 30% and 30% for the image. Yep, that's good. Now what we're going to do is select an image. So as you can see here in the media section, we have upload file, where when you click it, it says here choose file, and we can upload all of our files to our companion app. Now I'm going to really quick select a good picture for this test. Here we go. Let's just do our thumbnail picture. Why not? There. MIT logo. Now we've entered that in. As you can see, it's down here. Now we are going to go to picture, and as you can see, our MIT logo is up here. We can click OK, and wow, it's right there. Now what if I wanted to place it like somewhere else? Because you can see it's just snapping to this one area. Let me introduce you to layers. You can use a horizontal arrangement or a vertical arrangement for this tutorial. Let's put in a horizontal arrangement, and let's do the width fill parent, so it's like a giant beam right here. Now we can place our items in here. What the? Oh, I see why. Because this is inside. Here, let's delete this. It's going to delete the image inside, but that was my fault. You want to place the horizontal arrangement before you place your image. So do that, and as you can see, it matches with whatever you place inside. Let's select our image. Oh, that's a big image. We want to fix that. 30%. Excellent. And 30%. For some reason it's glitching out. Here, let's do 20% maybe. No. It's a weird glitch. Let's just stay with this. Anyways, now what we are going to do is go down here to our non-visible components. If you've not done this last tutorial, you should go to media and text-to-speech. You want to drag that onto there. But if you've done our last tutorial, then this text-to-speech icon should show up. Now we're going to go to our user interface and go to notifier. Drag it down there. And as you can see, it's also a non-visible component. this is good. We want to make it so when we click this test button, it shows a notification and it notifies you as it's talking. So let's go to our blocks and modify this a bit. So we're going to take this out and then go to notifier. We're going to call, where it is, there, whoopsies, there. We're going to call notifier, show progress dialog, and message and title. That's what we want. Now we're going to connect this down here. We're going to take this, duplicate it a couple of times. There you go. And now what we want is for the message to say, let's say, you have clicked me. And same for our call to speech. We want it to say the same message we have written down. So it's as if it's talking to us. So let's type it again. You have clicked me. And now we are going to put an I am a button text in there. We want to drag all of this into there. And yeah, we just increased the code a tiny bit and we have done so much more. And that's pretty much it, people. It's that simple. Now you want to go to your designer, and again, if you want to test it out, you go to your AI companion for a short test. If you want to finish your app, go to build. You can do an Android AP and Android APK or an Android app bundle, AAB. It's your choice. And next episode, we are going to be talking about the switch and the text box. So, enjoy your apps and have a fun time. Goodbye.